was taken during Hurricane Eva while driving from Koloa Town to Poipu Beach on Kauai.
Let me see, what's the date, Aaron?
23rd.
It's the 23rd of November, 1982. And we're right about at the impact point of a hurricane. Everybody's leaving the south side, as you can see. Here's one of the evacuation centers here at the Koloa School, in which we are also. But most people, you'll notice, are coming away from there because all of the low-lying tsunami areas on the island of Kauai have been asked to evacuate. Kekaha, Joel and Almar have to get out. Poipu, all of Poipu, Brenikis, all the south side, all the way around the island, tsunami zones are evacuating. The hurricane had expected up to 140 mile an hour winds are expected to arrive right now. We drove off right at the time it was supposed to start hitting. Now this is it's around 1:30 in the afternoon, and by 10 o'clock tonight we're supposed to be getting ripped. One very scary note for all of us, and we're really all very, very concerned. Vern Bishop and Gene Lewis left from Niihau this morning, notified the Coast Guard they're going to try and make it back to Kauai. We're all very, very concerned for them. Just hope they make it out of it. Not even 3 weeks ago, maybe a month ago, right here at this point right here, this stream on the left overflowed its banks and ran all the way across the road right here and ran down the street and reconnected with its the river again further down. But it well, let's see, about 3 weeks ago, 3-4 weeks ago, we had the worst flood in about 30 years. Tell them we're going to go pick up our friend. We'll tell them we're filming it.
No, don't do that. Just say all right, right on.
How's it? Well, we're going down to pick up a friend, but... Were you filming the whole time?
No.
Oh, shit. Man. Okay, from now on, we film all that shit.
Now I am right now.
Okay, Waikomo Stream over here is swollen to its banks, but one of the main things is right around the corner here, we're coming up to one of the heavies. Whalers Cove has all been evacuated. All these houses have been evacuated. In fact, we just got, there it is, the harbor. I'm backing up. This is Whalers Cove Harbor. I guess you can't see anything right now, but that's how hurricane shots usually come out. This whole area has been evacuated for tsunamis, but I don't think a tsunami is expected until later on this evening at around 10 o'clock when the winds are supposed to reach 140 miles an hour. I gotta wait.
Sandy over there! Sandy, that wave!
No.
It's gonna hit us!
Aaron, you can't believe the wave that just broke. You're telling her not to film.
There's a wave right here coming
Well, don't
at us.
worry. Keep your camera still, Sandy, and take a nice,
Oh my God, look at
clean
this wave.
shot of the Whalers Cove.
God, look at that wave! Let's get out of here, Dad!
You're
There's
shooting the truck. Now just
Look out, Dad! There's a dang tide wave coming!
shoot the cove.
Get out!
Will you get off my chase, Aaron, or I'll never take you on an adventure again. film the Whalers Cove constant. Got an outside set coming. Just keep filming the Whalers Cove. We're covered, son. This is history. No way I'm going to endanger us. Keep filming, Sandy. It's a Titanic set. Titanic. Broad angle lens. Look at it. It's going right over that restaurant. God damn. It's so big. It's the biggest I've ever seen in 12 years. The biggest surf I've seen in all the years I've lived on Kauai. You should see this one. Over top of me, all the way across the road and all the way to Kauai. And I would friends truck. My God, look at that barrel. Keep filming, Sam. This is beyond belief. We're only taking 5 minutes out of our life, Aaron, to take some history.
Take some history of that. This film is gonna be in the water. It's so. It's cold, man. God. Let's go, man.
Back up.
Back up?
Yeah.
Why?
So I can get some more of this.
Go, man. Let's get out. Ah.
Back up which way?
Just a teeny bit.
Okay. That was me. Should I get out and talk?
No, Frank.
Come on.
Don't get out.
Give them the proportion.
Oh, Frank, I don't think you should.
Come on, man. Let's go. God.
This guy has to be Mr. Mott.
Whalers Cove, wasted. Beach House Restaurant, 10-foot waves breaking through the windows. Couple more hours and this place is going to just be getting whaled by this, which is just the beginning of the hurricane. It's just supposed to start to be hitting right now at 1:30. This is just a little past.
Let's go, Frank.
Let's go, man. Let's go.
See that wall right there? It's the Beach House Restaurant. That wall's been torn down already.
Let's go, man. God, I hate this, man. I hate this.
I love it.
I wish I hadn't gone. It's so junk.
You love it, Aaron.
No, don't go up here.
Keep filming, Sandy.
Oh, God.
Oh, is there a big set?
That's okay.
Catch it.
God, we're gonna get toasted right now.
Just keep her rolling, Sam. Now, we're coming around into the wind, so you're gonna have to roll up your window. We're covered, son. Just relax. Now, on your rain, let me see. If it's coming in on your gear, roll up your window. Oh, wait. This is Cow's head. I'm gonna switch your angle. Turn it
Yeah.
off.
Look at this thing.
Okay, yeah, just roll up your window.
Recording. Switch. We're filming here.
Okay,
It's very dangerous.
this is Cal's head.
Don't go that way, Frank.
Why?
Oh.
Just turn left right up here.
Oh, my God.
We're covered, son. I've never hurt you, son. Aaron, I've never hurt you. I'm never gonna endanger you. Why do you think I brought you along? You're the only man in the house.
I'm filming right now, huh?
Well, we'll have to take that off. Okay, now look at this wave action right here. Completely ripped all of this foliage up, torn up trees, thrown them up on the road, boulders. There's the Sheraton of Kauai. That's these guys. These guys are taking some kind of emergency measures, I'm sure. This is the Sheraton, 1982. There you go, Sandy. Here's your shot. Take it full pan.
Let's go, man. Let's go. this way.
Keep filming. Aaron, this is...
Man, you're making me sick.
You remember that kid in Luke Skywalker? You remember this kid in Luke Skywalker?
I don't really care.
You gotta relax, Aaron. When tension's up, when things are real tense, you gotta practice relaxing. Because most people get tense right along with
Filming
things.
right now.
Just relax. Try it. Try and just let your body relax right now, Aaron. Because this is history, man. We're down recording history. You're just like a news reporter or anything else. Okay, we're gonna come slowly up on this operation again.
Let's go. You're filmed it.
Mercy! It is huge, Sand! You ready? Shoot out my window. I cooked my deal.
Right, take it. Take that too. Oh.
It's awesome.
God, it's breaking in the chest.
I don't even want to think of the, this is Whaler's Cove.
Look at the pools are flooded.
I'll let me take some of it.
You guys better go your own trip.
We are?
This guy wants to go, bud.
We're on our way.
I wonder what Greg's gonna see when he comes back and all this stuff to do. I wonder if there's any people down there.
Tomorrow morning we're going right back and filming.
Oh my God.
Coming up to Prince Cahillo Beach. Doesn't look like we're gonna make it past this point right here.
True. Yeah, stop. Look at the beach house restaurants and all this they have.
Look how high the surge is, though.
Let's go.
Catch those palms.
Miguel, guys, Miguel's dad's gonna want to see this, Dad.
Real steady.
Oh, it's so hard to do.
Good, good. Oh, God, I don't believe people are still right there. Boulders. Giant boulders all over the road. Almost impassable. Hang on, Sam.
Oh, I am. The wind's
No,
coming.
don't shoot out that window. Kill it. You got a Jeep, son. Okay, take the steadiest wide-angle shot that you can see. Watch for flying stuff.
Car almost tipped over.
Let's go, Frank. We're out of here.
I want one steady shot. I don't want no jumping around.
Car's going, jumping.
Cover drop.
We're out of here.
Okay? Look at that giant house down there, Sandy. It has to drop.
Oh my God, look at it. It's all the way through. It broke through. Look.
I spit out the window and it flew right over my head. Look.
Go, Frank. Let's get out of here.
What?
Let's get out of here.
God, look at the a beach house restaurant that got blasted right through. Let's go, man!
We've got people saying, let's go, Frank. I think you should, you know.
Now wait, don't shoot.
You're gonna run over a bottle.
Okay,
We're gonna
Sandy.
be stuck here, man. We're gonna get hit.
Wait till I tell you, and then start.
Hear those waves inside the
Inside the beach house, if you want to focus up on that corner up there, and just wait for a sec. And I'll get ready to leave. Now wait till I tell you. Well, I'm worried about nothing or nervous, okay? So
Yeah, you're not, but I am. So is everybody else.
Let's see. Now in that far corner of that restaurant, it's these guys all wandering around. Now wait till I tell. Oh, it's on. Okay, cut it for. Center. Gone. Oh, turn. Here it comes in the restaurant. Flashing up the
Is
inside.
that lady gonna get it?
Here it goes again, Sandy. Big one. Right there. Get that?
Yeah.
Here goes another one. Comes another one. Here goes Biggie.
Got me the glass. It got hit by the wall.
Well, that's the Beach House Restaurant. We're going to be back tomorrow if we're able to. I don't know what's going on at our house.
Let's go home and check.
And we'll come back tomorrow and see what this place looks like. Okay. Catch all this if you like. Shoot straight ahead. This is a hurricane. These winds right here have got to be 60, 70 miles an hour.
Let's go. Let's get out of here, man. God, man, you're all just cruising, man.
Gotta relax, son, when it chips down.
This is Koloa town, the morning after the hurricane. This is the road again from Koloa heading towards Poipu. Going up towards the crater in Poipu.
Oh, wow, look, that one has me.
Morning, Tony.
Hey,
How are you doing this morning?
okay.
Did your house come out all right?
We got destruction on both sides, but we're safe.
Oh, no kidding. Oh, that's very nice.
Bad about all this, though.
Isn't that amazing?
I can't even get to Lee Hui to, see what we can do.
Yeah, it's fantastic, the damages. Well, nice talking with you. Pardon?
Bernard Thompson lost his second floor,
Oh, yeah?
so right around us, and we were spared right next to the roof flew off. So we're standing right there and nothing happened to us. This is the best kind of transportation.
Both sides, huh?
I think the good Lord was watching us that night.
I think he was, for sure. Boy, that was some kind of night for Kauai.
We're driving along the rim of the crater at Poipu. This is Abel Medeiros' house.
And I guess that's Dr. Brennicke's house right there. Right there. That's Dr. Brennicke's. This is the previous road. Right there. That's the road. There it is. It ties in right here with this road. And that chunk was sort of thrown right there. And
This next segment of footage starts at Spouting Horn and goes pretty much house by house from Spouting Horn to Brennicke's. Beach House Restaurant and the Kuhio Shores area. of the houses on the ocean side of the street were obliterated. Every one of them. To the Poipu Village and Whalers Cove, Koloa landing area. This is entering the tree tunnel and Knutson Gap.
The trees filled the Knutson Gap half full of foliage.
This stone building is the Waterhouse Estate. This building is over 100 years old. This area is the location of the Garden Island Beach Apartments in Poipu. This is the Waterhouse Estate again, on the point just by Koloa Landing.